Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest gadgets and gizmos to give you the lowdown on whether they're worth your hard-earned cash.
Today, we're diving into the world of cozy comfort with the Dreams luxury quilted heated blanket. Let's see if it's the key to your best night's sleep yet. Host voiceover. First off, let's talk design and features.
This blanket doesn't just promise warmth, but also comfort.
With a lightly padded top to conceal those wires, it's a step up from your standard electric blanket. Plus, those adjustable elasticated straps with sliders ensure a secure fit over your mattress, no matter how restless you are.
Host voiceover. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of performance. The Dreams luxury quilted heated blanket doesn't disappoint. With 9 heat settings for both your body and feet, you can customize your warmth just the way you like it. And the best part? It heats up fast, so you're not left shivering while you wait.
But the real question is, does it deliver on comfort? Well, after using it as our main heated blanket for a while, I can confidently say yes. The quilted design adds minimal bulk to your bed while providing a soft sleep surface. No more lumps or uncomfortable wires poking through.
So, what's the final verdict?
If you're in the market for a cozy night's sleep and don't mind investing a bit more,
the Dreams luxury quilted heated blanket is definitely worth considering.
It ticks all the boxes: comfort, warmth, and ease of use.
However, if you're on a tight budget or prefer something with a bit more oomph in terms of heating power, you might want to explore other options. That wraps up our review of the Dreams luxury quilted heated blanket.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews.
Until next time, sleep tight and stay cozy.